Hi, everybody. Today I want to show you something you can do with your planners. An existing planner that you already have. I am turning this planner. This is the Deluxe Digital Enjoyful. This is a 2026. What I'm actually doing is I'm taking this planner. It's a month, weekday, and I'm turning it just into a monthly planner with the 12 subject notebook because I don't need anything else. I'm only tracking things for the month. And I want notes. And so I'm going to show you how I'm going to do that in case you'd like to take your planner and like duplicate it and then, repurpose it for something else. Okay. So what I'm going to do, so again, because I am starting this, I want it to be I start in January 2026 because I am going to retroactively record things in here. But because I do only want the months, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go all the way to December, and the planner ends December 3rd. Okay. No. Yes. That's what I want to do. I'm going to go up to the thumbnails, okay? And I am going to click on the three little dots, click select pages, and I'm just going to drag my pen because I know, I'm sorry, my arm's in the way. I can do this really quickly because all the days are in order and all the weeks. So as soon as I get close to, oh, this is a little dizzying. I'm going to try to go faster. Let's see how fast we can go. Oh my God. Okay. And then as soon as I see the months, I'm going to stop. So I'm going to there. So you can see there's December, the goals, oopsies, the notes. Okay. And then there begins the week. So now all of the weeks and all of the days are selected. And I'm going to come up here and click more. And I'm going to click move to trash. All right, did I miss pages? So apparently I must, whoa, it's still deleting. Okay, I just needed to calm down for a hot second there. Okay, so now you can see we have, oh my God, don't do that, no. Okay, you can see we have all of the months and then begins the notebook and then all of the templates. All right, everything is still hyperlinked because we didn't touch anything. We didn't move anything. And now I have this fabulous, planner that I can use that I want to set up. I'm actually going to set it up this week. So anyway, I hope this helps. So you can take any of your existing planners and just repurpose them for something else. Anyway, I hope this video helped you and have a fabulous day.